If someone gave me 7 days to make $5,000 or I lose absolutely everything, I'd actually be excited. Not because it'd be easy, but because I would know exactly what to do. And in today's video, I'm going to basically break down how you can make $5,000 in the next 7 days if you just follow the plan that I'm going to outline in this video, right? Now, just before I continue, there's no point in me talking about how to actually make $5,000 in the next 7 days if you don't know who I am and why you should trust me, right? So my name is Alim. I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK. I used to work for Argos, World Duty Free Sky. Before I took the biggest risk of my life, I quit my job, packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai. This is where I currently reside at the moment, and you can probably see from the backdrop. And now people hire me so they can start their own online business that generates them thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about exactly what I would do if someone told me I've got 7 days to make $5,000. Now guys, there are so many different business models out online, right? There's drop shipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube full-time, TikTok, clipping, there's so many different good business models. I'm not going to lie, there are very, very good business models out there. But unfortunately, all of those business models either require you to put money up front, or they require a lot of your time, or you just can't scale with them, right? Now, I've done a lot of business models, to be fair, online. I used to do drop shipping. I did affiliate marketing for a long time. I did YouTube full time for a long time as well. And, I did all of these different business models. And yeah, I'm not saying you can't make money with them. 100% you can make money. And from a lot of them, I did make good money from it. But if I had to make $5,000 in the next 7 days, I wouldn't touch any of those business models, right? Because especially as a beginner, right? Like obviously I know what I know now, but if I was a beginner, I would not want to do those business models because again, you need to put in so much time, effort, it's so much more difficult to actually make money with them, especially within 7 days. So the business model that you guys should be doing and that I would recommend is starting your own online coaching business, right? Which I like to call the One Skill Consulting business model. Now, the reason why you should start a coaching business by using the One Skill Consulting business model is because everyone that is watching this video, everyone at home, every beginner, right? Every single person that is over the age of, let's say 12, right? Has a skill. Every single person has a skill. Whether you believe it or not, you have a skill that is worth 10K a month, 20K a month, 30K a month, 40K a month, right? And no, this is not an exaggeration. You guys are sitting on skills worth ridiculous amounts of money. It's just that you don't know about it yet and you haven't unlocked it yet, right? Now, just before I continue, if you guys are looking to start this online coaching business, which I like to call the One Skill Consulting business model, and you want some one-to-one help, well, basically I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to over 10K a month. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But let's move on, guys. If you want to start this business model, well, the first thing you actually need is one skill. Now, please don't just watch this and say to me, I don't have a skill, right? I've heard this countless and countless of times, right? Where people say to me, I don't have a skill, I can't do this business model, X, Y, and Z. Guys, every single one of you watching this has a skill. Again, like I mentioned earlier, you just don't know about it. So how do you find your skill, right? Because if you've got a skill, let's say worth 20K a month or 30K a month or 10K a month even, what do you have to do to find that skill? Well, let me give you guys some examples first, and then that might get your brain ticking, okay? So there's a woman here in Dubai teaching people how to knit, right? She makes just under 20 grand a month. She literally teaches people how to knit, okay? Not high level skill, but she's making good money. Then we've got another person that teaches people how to stop drinking alcohol, right? Now he makes around 80K a month, but he literally works with people on a one-to-one basis and teaches them how to stop drinking alcohol. There's another person teaching people rowing, right? So he teaches people how to row a boat. He makes around 100K a month. Guys, these are ridiculous numbers, by the way. A lot of these people are making 6 figures a month. Now, just to be transparent, these aren't my clients, right? These are just people that I know of in the industry. Some of my clients are doing some crazy niches. So I've got someone teaching people how to start a marketing agency. I've got another person teaching fathers how to reconnect with their sons. I've got another client teaching parents how to deal with special needs children. I had a client that used to teach people how to buy their first property. I've got another client that's teaching people how to start a faceless YouTube channel. I've got a client teaching busy moms how to lose weight. Honestly, there are so many different niches, so many different skills that you guys can do, right? And it is so easy to use the skill to make money. I'm going to show you exactly how. Now, if you're still struggling to find a skill after all of that, right? The best course of action is literally grab a piece of paper, write down 10 skills, right? Write down 10 things that you're good at, literally feed it to ChatGPT, right? And ask it, what skills out of all of these 10 can I use that's more profitable? Can I use that can actually help people? Can I use to actually make money? etc. Right? ChatGPT will use those skills that you have, maybe even combine a few, right? And it will give you an output onto what skill you can actually use, okay? Now, once you've identified the skill that you want to use, and you're like, okay, cool, this is the skill I'm going to use and this is what's going to make me money, what you then need to do is package it into an offer, okay? Now, an offer is simply your pricing, you know, who you're targeting and the duration of your program. So your pricing, by the way, should be high ticket. It should be anything over $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, right? Anything around that vicinity is what you should be charging. Now, don't think that I shouldn't be charging $2,000 or $3,000. No, you can charge that. And yes, you are charging something that's premium. And I know a lot of you haven't sold anything for that price, but trust me, that is premium pricing and people will pay you that kind of money. So let's say, for example, you charge $5,000, right? As an example. Now, if you charge $5,000, you only need one client to make $5,000 and you only need 2 clients to make 10K, right? So if you get 2 clients a month, you can make 10K a month. It's as simple as that. Now, let's say you charge $5,000 as an example, okay? Now what do? Now you create a landing page, okay? Now your landing page should be very, very simple. Should just have your VSL, just should have your headline, right? And you should obviously have a domain that you've actually bought. Simple as that, very, very simple. What you then do is also create YouTube videos, right? So like, just like myself right now, I create YouTube videos here in Dubai, as you can see from the backdrop. And that is my authority point because obviously my story, as I mentioned, I used to work a 9-to-5 job in the UK and now I've moved to Dubai and now I make well over 6 figures a year and life is good and life is comfortable. And again, just a quick one. If you guys do need any help with starting this online business, well, I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. We'll jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But yeah, once you've created your landing page, once you've created the YouTube videos, right? Obviously you put your landing page on the YouTube content and you start creating YouTube videos so you can try and attract clients. But not just doing that, right? Now, there are several other things that you can do. Now, you can either run ads, right? Which I would recommend because ads is giving you traffic. Yes, you have to pay for it. However, with ads, you can make a lot of money very, very quickly. The other route, right, which is completely free, anyone can do this. It's called outreach. All you need to do is find the people that you know can benefit from your program. Now, there are multiple ways. A lot of them I teach in my coaching program, so I won't go through all of them, but I'll give you guys some examples that you can use. So for example, you can go on Instagram, you can DM people, you can find them through the explore page, you can find them through competitors, you can find them through, you know, other people that are doing like a coaching business similar to what you're doing, and literally just go through their followers or go through their posts and DM these people, right? Another good method is Facebook groups. So you can go on Facebook groups, go onto the particular niche that you're targeting, go onto that group and literally message a bunch of people. There are so many ways, right? These are just a few ways which I'm giving you guys for free, right? But a lot of the other ways that I have are in my coaching business, and obviously I can't give that information out for free because a lot of my clients pay me money to learn these methods. And then yeah, guys, you just outreach people. And I would recommend aiming for 100 people a day. Now, I know that might sound like a lot, right? I know that sounds like a lot, but trust me, 100 people a day can literally be done in about 30 minutes to an hour. It doesn't actually take that long. So DM as many people as possible. If you DM 100 people a day over the next 7 days, you're going to DM 700 people, right? Now, let's say, for example, your offer is $5,000. You only need one person from those 700 people to convert. So let's say, for example, argument's sake, these are not any industry standard numbers, but let's say 70 people reply. Let's say 20 people jump on a call with you, and let's say only one person converts. Guys, you will make $5,000 in 7 days. It's literally as simple as that. Any of you guys can do it. All you have to do is try. All you have to do is take action. But unfortunately, a lot of people don't take action, don't try, and then, you know, wonder why they don't make money. Guys, it is so easy. If you want to make $5,000 in 7 days, this is exactly what I'd do if I had to start from scratch. Now, if you guys want more help with this, well, I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and literally scale you to 10K a month. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on the call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know more about this business model and more information on how this actually works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.